Happy Thursday, everyone! If you can't tell from the Open, it's Throwback Thursday. That Open takes us all the way back to 2003 with the very first WTV Open. I'm Jessica Swanson here with Lana Duque.
Jessica, have you seen that Eka has been selling super awesome things, like Rice Krispie treats, froyo, and cookies?
I have, and they look really good. Here's some more about the Rice Krispie treats at the Deca store.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
It's a Rice Krispie ad.
It's a Rice Krispie ad.
To you, these two people might look just fine. They are actually suffering from a severe case of boredom. Boredom affects the lives of 2 out of 3 teens every single day. To cure their boredom, all they need is a couple of Rice Krispie treats.
It's a Rice Krispie ad.
Do you want to be as happy as these two people? Pick up a Rice Krispie treat for only 75 cents at your local Deca store to find your happiness.
Those look really great. I'll have to get one at lunch. But for now, Jessica, you start us off with the news.
You got it, Lana. Are you interested in the Navy? A recruiter will be at the Career Center next Tuesday at 1:30. If you'd like to attend, head to the Career Center for a pass Monday or Tuesday. Students, please be aware of your voices in the hallways during lunches. It can be very disruptive to students and staff.
If you would like to support SKFFA, there are 2 great events coming up to do so. Pet Pictures at Tractor Supply in Silverdale will be on December 8th for cute pictures of your pets and Santa. Also on December 8th will be at IGI Fitness in Port Orchard, painting with friends. And if you took the ASVAB test, you can now see your results in the Career Center. Hey, Jessica, what are you doing?
I'm looking at last year's yearbook. There were so many great memories.
Yeah, there really were. Speaking of, have you pre-ordered this year's yearbook yet?
No, I haven't.
Well, you better do so, because after tomorrow, prices will go up.
Oh, I'd better get right on that.
Yeah, you should. But first, we should get back to the show. The Lady Bowlers have had an awesome season so far. Let's spare some time to see how they've been doing.
Wolves on 3! 1, 2, 3, Wolves!
The Lady Bowlers have had an amazing start to their season. They've already played 3 great matches. On November 29th, the ladies will be bowling at home to hope to carry on their great season. So come on down and support your fellow Wolves.
Wow, they're doing really great. Now in some other sports news, tryouts for the Sheridan Park Golden Ball Tournament will be today at 4 p.m. at Olympic Fitness. And if you're a football player or lady swimmer and you ordered pictures but haven't picked them up, they are available in the athletic office. Pick them up today.
Now let's roll on over into the schedule of events. Be sure to head out and support your fellow Wolves. Hey seniors, now is your chance to sign up for Grad Night. The goal is to have 100 students sign up by tomorrow. Check out the SKHS Class of 2019 Grad Night Facebook page for more information.
Now let's head on right into club news. Clubs meeting today are Illuminate Bible Club, Everyone's Equality, Art, German, Journalism, Knowledgeable, DECA, and Spanish.
And clubs meeting tomorrow are Interact and Builders of Unity. Go out and join a club today.
Well, that looks like all the news I have for today.
Same here. Have a phenomenal day, SK.